Every 12 months, you're going to want to steam clean all the gunk and buildup on your iron plate and in those little holes. Not only does this buildup decrease the effectiveness of your iron, it can also damage your clothing. So today, we are going to be steam cleaning on irons. Join me. Step 1. First, deactivate the steam option setting on your iron. Set your heat to the highest level that you possibly can. Pour kosher salt on a big paper bag, like the one you get from the grocery store. Then you're going to turn your iron on the highest heat, and you're going to iron over the salt on the paper bag, and you're going to do this all the way until your iron plate is clean. If you need to add more salt, that's okay. You're just going to keep doing it until the iron plate is clean. After the iron has been cooled, wipe it off with a rag, and we'll move on to step 2. Step 2. Create a paste of 1 tablespoon water and 2 tablespoons baking soda. You just get a kitchen bowl and mix those together. It's going to just look like a white paste, kind of like toothpaste, but don't brush your teeth with it. Rub the paste on the bottom of your iron plate and rub it into all the holes down there, and then with a soft cotton cloth, wipe it clean. Step 3. Get some Q-tips and some cotton swabs or another soft cotton towel that's clean, not the ones we've just been using, and then grab some vinegar. Dip the Q-tip into the vinegar and clean out all the holes on the bottom of your iron plate. So we just rubbed that paste in there, and when we wiped the bottom, it probably didn't get all the stuff out. So we're going to get in all those holes to make sure that there's no more paste at all, and the vinegar is going to help us do that. Step 4. Fill your iron with water. Go ahead and turn the steam option on. You're going to want to also keep it to the highest heat setting still. Turn your iron on. Let it heat up. Then start pushing the button and activating the steam. You're going to want to push out as much steam from those holes as you can. It's just going to ensure that there's nothing left on the bottom of the iron plate or in the holes, and that everything has been cleaned out. Step 5. Empty the iron of any remaining water. After the iron has cooled, use a soft cotton towel to remove any remaining debris. And that's it. We just steam cleaned your iron. Now you're good to go for at least another 6 months, depending on how often you use your iron. Now, if you're wear uniforms or clothing that you have to iron every day, you're probably going to want to do this every 3 months instead of 6 months, just depending on your iron usage. Don't forget to like my video, give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends who could use some iron cleaning, and be sure to come back tomorrow for new videos all about organizing and cleaning your home. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Say bye.